If you're looking for a healthier snack, then you came to the right place. If you're trying to substitute potatoes, try these delicious parsnips. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some roasted parsnips. So here are all the ingredients you'll need for this delicious recipe. All right, we have some oregano, basil, onion and garlic powder, some cumin, ground cumin, some ground ginger, red pepper flakes, turmeric, and some avocado oil. And of course, the star of the show is some parsnips. I suggest if you could find some smaller ones, that would be great because smaller ones will roast up less cooking time and to make sure that everything is cooked evenly. But we still made it do. We made it work because we're going to cut these in half, get you some fresh parsley or fresh um, oregano or cilantro. So either or. So although we already rinsed off our parsnips, I'm still going to go ahead and peel them. All right, we want to remove all of the peelings, the skin, sorry, off of the parsnips, okay? Always season to taste, as I always tell you. This is your dish. Make it to your liking, to your taste buds, okay? I used about a tablespoon of each seasoning, except for the herbs. Now make sure you rinse off your parsnips again. You know, we want to make sure all of our veggies are very clean. And we're going to chop them up in bite-sized pieces, as you see I'm doing here. And yes, I am rinsing them off again. You know, you never can be too sanitary. So when it comes to cooking, so wash your veggies, okay? All right, let's get these parsnips seasoned, okay? So we can get ready to put them in the oven. Make sure you preheat your oven to 375 degrees, actually 425, sorry. And go ahead and pour your seasoning. That is all the seasoning you saw at the beginning of the video. Okay, it's a tablespoon of each, or about a half a tablespoon of each. Oops. And we want to get the parsnips in the bag with the seasoning. I'm just all over the place. And don't worry, the counter is cleaned. Okay? The counter is clean, so you don't have to worry about that. And so go ahead and get them all in the bag. And then now we're going to get some of our fresh parsley and put that in the bag as well with the rest of our seasoning. And then we're going to add the avocado oil in the bag as well. And we're going to give it a nice hefty shake. Once you add the avocado oil to the bag, Ziploc bag, give it a nice shake to get everything married together. We want every single, take some of that ear out though. We want every single parsnip covered in all that delicious flavor. Okay? One thing about it, what we do over here at Jill's Comfort Zone, we season, okay? We season to the gods. Never ever a dull dish in this kitchen, okay? Because we don't play that. We don't play that. Now I know y'all know the trick to keep your wax paper or your parchment paper, you know, to stick to your baking sheet. Just add a little water and voila, it'll keep it it'll keep it in place, okay? Sorry for the shaking of the camera. I apologize. I apologize. Now we're going to go ahead and lay down our parsnips. And you want to make sure that they are laid down evenly, okay, so that they have room to cook. So go ahead and pour them all out and space them out so they can have, you know, room enough for the heat to circulate throughout all of those wonderful parsnips so everything could cook evenly, okay? Your stove should have been preheated to 425 degrees. And now we're going to cook for 30 minutes. In between time, you want to go ahead and flip them over so each side is nice and cooked evenly, okay? All right. Now here we have it. Oh my God, this was so delicious. You can have this for a snack. That's what I did. This was my snack for whenever I thought about chips or anything else. I just went and yes, I just ate it for a snack, okay? But this could be a side dish. Sorry.
Tasty.
So I told you we're going to be cooking some healthy, delicious meals. So stay tuned for some more. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have some more delicious meals coming your way. If you'd like to support the channel, buy me a coffee or just simply subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Share me out. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and share me out to your family and friends. Tell them all I want to do is love on them while they love on me. And have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Later.